So welcome back, guys. Just after lunch, but we have to do some lawn mowing first because I see the grass is so long around my house. So let's do some lawn mowing and then we can continue with our harvest. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think that will do for here. See if we can cut this one in here also. Maybe this isn't grass. Okay, okay, good. This one will kill everything. Doesn't look nice with all this long grass here. That was that. Let's put the more in here. Take just the small pieces with this more. Just put it in here, okay. This is the Volvo L120H from the Platinum expansion pack. When I started playing Farming Simulator, I watched a lot of YouTube streams. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below and tell me who is your favorite YouTuber when it comes to Farming Simulator. Oh. I think I can go down here with the X9 without any bigger issues. I just put the harvester head here. Okay. Actually, I like this loader. I'm not a big Volvo fan, but okay, guys. My plan is to put this one running and then put this okay, lower it. Let's see what we can do, huh? Okay, this is this one. I think you can go like super fast with this one, huh? Unrealistically fast, actually. Yeah, no. I would say 15 kilometers is like quite good. Let me put the... Okay. Yeah, 15 is quite good actually. We have a super great harvest. The yield is dark green here, and that means I don't think you can get much bigger profit than this from a field in this gameplay with precision farming. We will get a lot of corn from these two fields, I think. 50% already. I love this machine with the big extension on top because it loads 26,000 liters or something. 22,000 or 26,000. This field was a little bit bigger, but then I build this structure for when I produce for the chickens. What do you call it? I don't remember. There's something you have to produce to feed the chickens with. Okay, almost 67%. Here you see when it's dark green, the tank fills up super fast. Start to fill up. 25,000. I think it's 26,500 or something like that. It's full tank. No, 27,500. Yeah, so have to be aware. Nitnoy, sorry. 27,400, okay. Lift the axle. Can we get around here? I think we can actually. Yeah, guys, we could. So, we just have to be a little bit careful here. I don't want to hit anything. This is like when you play alone, you lose a lot of traction when down with the axle. And then we go up, sneaking up like this. Oh, sorry, crashing. Okay. Still filling up quite quickly. If we can get out to full tanks, it's 50, almost 60,000 liter from this field. I think that's quite good. 60,000 liter corn in one small field. I'm not sure, but then we have to try some crop rotation also. I know there is a mod for PC for crop rotation, but not for PlayStation yet, or console. For me, there is only one console, and that's PlayStation. My first PlayStation was the PS. Yeah, my first PlayStation was the PlayStation actually. The first original series. I wish I had it still, but yeah. And then I had a break, and then I bought the PlayStation 3, and then I bought the PlayStation 4. The 3 is still gone. It's also gone, but the 4 I still have. It's still a good machine actually. I played Farming Simulator 19 on that one. Maybe we do like nostalgia. I still have a game on that, on a map, on a German map. I don't remember the name. I really love that map actually. You have a big river and you have like 2 or 3 villages. Quite a big map. Maybe we should do some gaming on that one, but I'm not sure. Maybe if I play on PlayStation 4 I need to have a capture card, because I'm not sure I can do on the PlayStation 5 you can do the recording directly in the PlayStation, and then I just move it to my PC with an external hard drive. So why do I do YouTube? Yeah, well, as I said to you before, I have another YouTube channel, my main YouTube channel, where I do some videos about my life here, and I think it's quite fun actually to do the editing and the videoing. But if I compare myself to the professionals, like I have no super big plan when I start filming. I just go with the flow. And then there is another thing. I love technology things like cameras and gimbals, and this is a good excuse for me to tell my wife that I need this thing, I need that thing. I love to collect technology. Actually, it's the worst thing you can collect because it doesn't increase in value like other collectibles. It's always losing value, but still, it gives me satisfaction to set up my gimbal and my wireless microphones and then walk around like a crazy person talking to a camera. But it took some time to get used to talk to the camera, and I still, when there is a lot of people around, I feel, how should I say, uncomfortable sometimes. Okay, we're almost 50% in the tank, but it will not be full. I think we can fold the header. Let's go down to the truck and dump it. I'm getting quite a load on the trailer here. Yeah, let's fold it and go. You see, our crossing is over there, so we have to go around this barn. So tonight, me and my wife, we went out with friends to have a good dinner, and we eat some spicy food, and that's why I do some sounds, because my stomach always gets a little bit comme ci comme ça. Here we are. Okay, let's unfold again. This field is quite steep and in its places. Okay. Let's have some light on. Yes. So this field isn't at all as efficient as the other one, but you see, we did a good job from the first harvest, because the first harvest, this was a lot of red spots on this map, on this field. So if you see down there on the small bar, it says like 50% to 125%. And the red is 50%. So this field is actually not so good, but it's close to the farm, so I decided to keep it. I have an issue when I mulch the cornfields, because it's so hard to see where you have went. You have to go, if you go down here, you see like, there you can see the stubs. So I think maybe this field will not give as good as the last one. But at least we improved. We are around 100%, I would say. Yeah, one little snip left and then okay guys. Okay, while this is folding I run down to pick up the truck. You see how good oh my god, it's so nice to see this. So if I had my hook lift now with a 40,000 liter bin on and a dolly and this trailer after, I would just have to go to dump one time, but anyhow, I forgot to unfold the pipe. Okay. Okay guys, so thank you for coming along on this harvest day here on La Coronella. And if you like what I'm doing, my video, please like, share the video and subscribe, and please leave a comment down below and reach out to me. I will reply to every comment, I promise you. Thanks for watching guys. See you in another episode. Bye.